Before writing and running any form of code in Java, we need to have Java Development Kit installed on our device. So search for JDK from a favorite browser. Click on the first link that comes up from oracle.com. Java Platform JDK version 9. This is what we need. Click on that. Windows 10 64-bit is the configuration of my device. So I'll accept the license agreement and I'll click on the link. The download will take a while. I already have the downloaded file. So I'll go to downloads and this is what the file looks like. Click on it, follow the installation steps. It's fairly easy. And after you've installed, go to your terminal and type a command java c. Now I got this message, but the message you'll get is it is not a recognized command. So don't worry. Click on the start button, right click on the start button, go to system, go to system info, click on advanced system settings, environment variables, on path, and here you'll see a list of environment variables on my device and on your device as well. And you can see I have already gotten the environment variables on my device, and it's fairly simple. Go to the place where you've already installed Java. In my case, it's C program files and Java. There are two folders, JDK 9.0.1 and JRE 9.0.1. Now you can see this is the path that we need. You can see it's C program files Java JDK 9.0.1, and this is the path that we have here. And C program files Java JRE 9.0.1, and this is the part that we have here. So go ahead and set your environment variable this way. Now when you will type the command java c, you'll get the same piece of information that I got. So it's simple, don't worry. Go to a text editor. I'll use Sublime Text, which you can use also. Save the file as, I'll save it on desktop because it's more accessible. Save the file as Java, and I'll name the file as hello world.java. Now let's start writing our program. Class Skuddly, curly braces, public static void main, open brackets, string args, open curly braces again, system.out.print hello world, and the termination mark, the semicolon. I'll save it and now go to the terminal. I'll change the directory to desktop where I've saved the file, and now I'll compile the file java c hello world.java. It does nothing, so don't worry. Go to the desktop and you'll notice that you have another file generated on your PC, which is skuddly.class. Okay, it is a byte file, which means it is the code generated by Java on your device. You can see this is the byte code, and we have to run this code in order to say hello world on our PC. So go to your terminal, type Java Skuddly, and here it is, hello world.